Hello traders. It's time for a deposit turbo boost. This is MaxBot channel. Now I will use a robot with an average passability of 90%. It is capable of tripling your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a discount of 90% will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Let's get to work. I will make a trade with the Euro, Canadian dollar currency pair. There is a high payout here. The expiration time is 1 minute. The first investment is $1,300. Instantly I get a prediction from the neural network, lower. In this case, you need to click on the red button on the broker's website. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 trial signals from the bot with an average passability of 90% free of charge. After which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool at a discount of 90%. The number of people who will receive a discount limited. Link in the description. Attention! You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. There we publish important educational information that will help you become a strong trader. Good luck to everyone. So, $1,144 is the profit from the first trade. That's great. I'll keep working. I will invest a larger amount, $1,700. 2 clicks in the bot menu and the signal appears in front of us. Higher. Now I want to tell you about the impact of economic news on currency pairs. Economic indicators are statistical metrics used to gauge the health of an economy. They are closely monitored by traders and can cause significant market movements. Here's how some of the primary indicators can affect currency pairs. As the broadest measure of an economy's performance, GDP data can cause large swings in currency values. Higher than expected GDP figures typically strengthen the corresponding currency, while lower figures can weaken it. Employment indicators, particularly non-farm payroll data in the United States, can lead to one of the most immediate and volatile reactions in the market. Strong employment numbers usually boost the domestic currency, while weak employment data can devalue it. Central banks' interest rate decisions are among the most impactful events. An increase in interest rates can attract foreign investors looking for higher returns on investments, leading to an appreciation of the currency. Conversely, a rate cut can lead to depreciation. So, the deal closed in the plus again. $1,496 came to my real account. Now I will change the currency pair for a change. I like the Euro, US dollar variant with a high percentage of payments. I will once again enter the transaction for $1,700. The signal from MaxBot is higher. Inflation levels are a key determinant of a currency's value. High inflation can erode a currency's value, while low inflation can lead to strengthening due to the potential for interest rate hikes. The psychological aspects of consumer confidence can influence spending and investment. Positive consumer data can strengthen a currency, reflecting a robust economic outlook. Strong manufacturing reports can indicate economic expansion and a bullish signal for the currency. Conversely, weak manufacturing can signal a bearish trend. Options traders must be precise with timing. News releases can create short-term volatility, hence, traders need to choose expiration times that align with the expected market fluctuations. Some traders place trades on both sides of the market before a news announcement, anticipating movement in either direction. Economic releases can lead to unpredictable market movements. Using strategies to manage risk, such as setting trade sizes according to one's capital, is critical. Sometimes, it's best to wait until the market settles after a news release, as the initial reactions can be erratic and not indicative of the longer-term trend. And here is another deal closed in the plus. $1,530. Now I will enter the market for an even larger amount. $2,000. It's time to get another recommendation from the robot, lower. Market sentiment, the overall attitude of traders towards a particular market, can be significantly influenced by economic news. Traders' interpretations and expectations of news events can cause. Markets can overreact to news, causing spikes in currency values that might not align with the fundamental outlook. Traders often follow the majority, which can amplify market movements following news releases. Different news events affect currency pairs variously, and understanding these relationships is key. For countries like Canada, Australia, commodity prices can affect their currencies. News related to oil could impact the Canadian dollar, for example. In times of global financial uncertainty, currencies like the Japanese yen or Swiss franc may strengthen as they are considered safe haven assets. These can be sensitive to news related to foreign investment and global economic health, as they are considered riskier. Here comes the fourth successful transaction. $1,800 came to my account, thanks to the accurate prediction from MaxBot. By the way, after buying the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There our team analyzes different market situations and shares fresh signals. So, it's time for the final deal. The signal is higher. The entry point is $2,700. And now on the screen you can see testimonials from satisfied people who are already working together with MaxBot and making great money. Do you want to do the same? Get 3 free signals via the link in the description. Then purchase the robot with a maximum discount of 90%. The number of people who will get the discount is limited. Working together with the neural network, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. And a word or two more about the economic news. While options trading is often focused on short-term market movements, it's worth noting that economic news can have long-term implications on currency trends. Traders should be aware of the broader economic picture as it can influence market sentiment and trends over time. So, let's take a look at the final deal. At the last moment, the bulls broke through the resistance area, which means that the signal from the bot is accurate. $2,430 profit. Total profit for 5 deals, $8,400. A real turbo boost of the deposit took place. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to learn more useful information about trading and profitable neural network. Bye.